So as a demonstration of what responsive is, take a look at our website. So this is what you would expect to see for a website on a desktop. Now Chrome has a great developer tool so that you preview what this would look like on different device types. So if I turn this on, you can see you can select different device models. So I could take a look at Apple iPad, refresh the screen. So this is what the site would look like on Apple iPad. And instead of having hover effects, you have touch effects. I can also select different device types. So this is what it would look like on a Nexus 5, for example, which is a smartphone. Again, different hover states like so. And you can even see what it would look like on some older phones like the Galaxy S3 that have a much lower resolution. So the idea with responsive is that the site scales to fit whatever area there is for it to basically fit within. And you also need to bear in mind that people are going to be using their fingers to navigate, so you want nice big buttons around the place, like so. But it's essentially all about having a website that's designed so that different viewport sizes it scales, with the idea that you're trying to optimize everything for mobile. So as an example, as you go down here, what you'll notice is as this scales and as this gets smaller, the important messaging is still in view above the fold. So this innovative websites and apps thing, that's our value proposition for this page, and you know it never loses view whilst you're on different sizes. You'll also notice that some areas that are big on desktop, like this particular area here was big on desktop, like so. You make it quite a bit smaller on mobile because you don't want it kind of absorbing too much of the screen space and being awkward to navigate. But that's pretty much it. That is a summary really of what it means to be responsive. And if you haven't got a website that's responsive, you really should, because nowadays you're finding that more and more people are using are browsing the web on their mobiles rather than on desktop. So and even Google these days, if people are doing Google searches on their mobile, you run the risk of not coming up on those search results if your website is not mobile enabled. So really important.